How do I use arrowroot to thicken sauces?
Welcome to our cooking guide. Today we're exploring a little culinary secret that can make a big difference in your recipes: arrowroot. This natural thickener is a fantastic tool for enhancing the texture and consistency of your sauces, and it's quite simple to use. Let's dive in.
What is arrowroot?
Firstly, let's understand what arrowroot is. It's a starch extracted from the roots of several tropical plants. In its processed form, it's a white, powdery substance that's often used as a thickening agent in cooking. Unlike flour and cornstarch, arrowroot creates a clear, glossy sauce and works at lower temperatures.
How much arrowroot do I use?
The amount of arrowroot to use depends on the recipe, but as a general rule, you can replace 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of arrowroot. Remember, it's always better to start with a smaller amount and add more if necessary to avoid making your sauce too thick.
How do I use arrowroot to thicken sauces?
Here's how to thicken your sauces with arrowroot. 1. Mix arrowroot with a cold liquid such as water or plant-based milk before adding it to your sauce. This will create a slurry that can be easily incorporated into the sauce. Use about 2 tablespoons of cold liquid for every 2 teaspoons of arrowroot. 2. Slowly pour the slurry into your sauce, stirring constantly. This will ensure even distribution of the arrowroot. 3. Heat the sauce over medium heat until it starts to thicken. Remember, arrowroot works at a lower temperature than other thickeners, so you don't need to bring it to a boil. 4. Once your sauce has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat immediately. Overcooking can cause the sauce to thin out again or take on a strange texture.
What are the pros and cons of using arrowroot?
Arrowroot has several advantages over other thickeners. It creates a clear, glossy sauce without affecting the flavor. It also works at lower temperatures and is gluten-free, making it suitable for a wider range of dietary needs. However, it does have some drawbacks. Arrowroot can't handle acidic ingredients very well, so it's not the best choice for sauces that contain vinegar or lots of citrus. It also doesn't freeze well, so avoid using it in recipes that you plan to freeze. So there you have it. With a little bit of know-how, you can use arrowroot to create beautifully thick, glossy sauces that are sure to impress. It's an invaluable tool to have in your culinary arsenal, whether you're whipping up a savory gravy or a sweet fruit sauce. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel inspired to give arrowroot a try in your kitchen. Happy cooking!